7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. 5, 10 seconds. 15.
Starboard, Warren.
Zoom in and get some of it.
Yep. See, that was all flip-flopping in. The wind was all flip-flopping. Starboard, Warren.
It's amazing how you guys slow right down just at that point and then accurately turn and turn and turn.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's pretty good. Lots of fun. As you know.
Yes. Catch the rest of the crew, see where they're at. There you go, 2 ahead. Catching up there.
Yep.
That's the way.
Still have some time on them both.
Take it away.
Make them come in.
Yeah. That's it. Now let's see where they are. Goodness, are you in the lead then?
No, he's in the lead because he's to windward of me.
Oh.
See where I am on the ocean. Roger.
Whoa. Slice and dice.
See how the wind changes when you get up to here? And
Yeah.
it tends to swing a bit.
It does.
That jib's not helping me at all.
But you're doing okay there. What are you, third now?
Quite make it. Try and pitch it.
Yeah. Yeah. Bit of action there.
Couldn't quite do it. You see how close they are.
Yeah. Whoa.
That's not in front of him. He was on board.
Jeez. You were flying then for a second. Should be able to cut him out.
For an old dog.
Not bad for an old bloke, yeah.
Oh!
Bit of a
Sorry,
crossover.
Rog. Oh, good. Penalty.
You have to. There it is. Is it one turn, isn't it?
Yeah, 360. You can finish up the way you started. There we go.
Is it?
That's it.